How to create and save effect templates in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and drag your video clip onto the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and apply the effects you want to use. This can include color correction, blur, sharpening, audio effects, or any other adjustments you typically add to your clips. Once you have added the effects, you will see all of them listed in the effects stack panel. From here, you can customize each effect according to your needs. After customizing the effects, look at the top right corner of the effect stack panel and click on the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select Save Effect. A dialog box will appear. Enter a name for your effect panel, something descriptive that will help you recognize it later, and click OK. Now your custom effect template is saved. To reuse this template in the future, go to the effects panel and search for the name you gave it. You will find your saved effect under the custom tab. Simply drag and drop it onto any clip to instantly apply the same set of effects without having to recreate them from scratch. Now you know how to create and save effect templates in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.